Hello everyone, welcome you all and I hope you are all doing well. So this is the Ghouse sir. So in this video we are going to discuss about the quadratic equation. So this is the important video and the foundation of the quadratic equation. Means what? I think many of you are familiar with the quadratic equation also. If I ask you how to find the roots of the quadratic equation, so what you will say? The most reliable method or most relevant method to finding the roots is x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Have you ever wondered from where this formula has developed? From where this formula has came? So in this video, we are going to discuss this only. Okay. And I think many of you also know, if alpha beta are the root of the equation, then we will write sum of the roots alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a, and we write product of the roots equal to c by a. Have you wondered why we are writing like this? Why we can't write alpha plus beta equals to a by b? Why only minus b by a? Why only alpha into beta equal to c by a? This also we are going to discuss in this video. So this video is the complete the foundation of the quadratic equation. Moreover, we are learning JEE. In order to solve the JEE Mains problem, we have to know these values also. In order, already we know alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, alpha beta equal to c by a. Like this, we should know this value also to avoid the simplifications. Okay, so in this video we will discuss these values also. So let us start. What is quadratic equation? We know that the quadratic equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c, which is equal to 0. Here a represents the coefficient of x square, b represents the coefficient of x, c is the constant, and here a should not be equal to 0. What I will do here, for this quadratic equation, I will multiply 4a on both sides. So in order to get that value, what I will do, I will multiply 4a on both sides. So what I get, 4a into ax square plus bx plus c, which is equal to, here also I need to multiply 4a into 0. Next multiply, what you get, 4a square x square plus 4abx plus 4ac, which is equal to 4 into 0 will be 0. Now this can be write like this, ax whole square, this 4a square x square I am writing like this, 2ax whole square. Now this term also can write like this, 2 into 2ax into b, can I write like this, 2 to the 4 only, we will get abx only. Okay, so now here we have, why I am writing like this, I will show you. This 4as as it is equal to 0. Look here, I need to write this equation into a plus b whole square formula. So here you can observe, this is a square plus 2ab, correct? This represents 2ab, a plus b whole square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Where is b square? B square is not there. In order to get the b square, what I will do, I will add b square and I will subtract b square. Understood this step? What is this step? What I need to write? I need to write this in the a plus b whole square formula, so that I got a as 2ax, I got 2ab, but I don't have b part. So that what I will do, this b square is not there in this equation. So in order to that, what I have, I've added b square and subtracted b square. Now this will become what, a square plus 2ab plus b square, nothing but a plus b whole square. What is a? A is nothing but 2ax plus, what is b? B only, this represent whole square. Now this 2 term can I take that side, which is equal to minus b square will become plus b square, and this plus 4ac will become minus 4ac. Now what I will do, if I take root on that side, so what it become, 2ax plus b equal to plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac, correct? Now if I take plus b that side, what will it become? It will become 2ax equal to plus b will become minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac. If I take 2a here, what will become? X equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is the formula to find the square root of the any quadratic equation. With this help of formula, we will find the roots. Here two roots are there, alpha and beta. For alpha we will take at plus, for beta we will take at minus. Okay, so this is the formula. So we have got first one. Now let us see the next part. Now let us see the second part. So from here we got the two roots. Alpha can I write like this? First root alpha as minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, and can I write another root beta as with minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, correct? Okay, two roots are there, alpha and beta, with alpha with plus, beta with minus. Now what I will do, I will add this two. So what I get? Now I'm adding this to alpha plus beta. So what you get? Minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a plus minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Take the LCM. What LCM you get? 2a is the LCM. Now minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac, it will be minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac, correct? See here, this plus term, this minus term gets cancelled. Minus b, which is nothing but minus 2b divided by, here we have 2a. 2 gets cancelled, we got minus b by a. Therefore, sum of the root is always equal to negative of b by a. So always we write alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a only. Understood? Now let us see c by a. Now let us, if I multiply this both, what I get? Let us see here. Now alpha beta minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a into minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now multiply, what you get? Here denominator, what I get? 2 to the 4a square I get. Now you see here, a plus b, a minus b means a plus b into a minus b will be a square minus b square. A square minus b square means under root b square minus 4ac whole square. Okay, square root gets cancelled, so b square is nothing but minus b square is b square. Now if I multiply with minus, what I get? Minus b square minus into minus plus 4ac denominator with what we have? 4a square plus b square minus b square cancel. What is left? 4ac by 4a square. 4 gets cancelled. A one time, here one time cancel. What is left? Nothing but c by a. So product of the root is equal to, always we write the c by a, where c is a constant, a is the coefficient of x square. I think you understand. Now second part is also completed. Now let us move for the third part, how to find the alpha square plus beta square. Let us see here. It is also very important solving the JEE problems. Okay, you should remember what is the value of alpha square plus beta square. So already we got alpha plus beta as minus b by a, alpha beta as c by a. Now using this I'll find this. Okay, now can I write what is the formula for alpha plus beta whole square? A plus b whole square can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab, correct? From here I need this term, send this term here. So what is left? Alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha plus beta whole square, plus will become minus 2 alpha beta. I have this value here, substitute, what you get? Alpha square plus beta square equal to minus b by a whole square minus 2 c by a. So which is equal to b square by a square minus 2c by a. Take the LCM, what the LCM will come? LCM will be a square, it will become b square minus, one time get cancelled, which is 2ac. Alpha square plus beta square value is nothing but b square minus 2ac by a square. B square minus 2ac by a square. Important, we have to remember this formula. Now let us see how to find alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay, alpha cube plus beta cube. Similarly, cube is there. Can I find alpha plus beta whole cube? What is the formula? We have alpha cube plus beta cube plus a plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab of a plus b. This is the formula of a plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab of a plus b. Already we have these values here. Substitute, what you get? A plus b, what is that? Minus b by a whole cube equal to, we need to find this value here, plus 3 alpha beta. What is alpha beta? That is C by A, alpha plus beta, that is minus B by A. Simplify, what you get here, we'll get minus B cube by A cube. If I bring this term here, what will becomes here? Plus into minus, plus into minus, minus. If I bring in here, it will become again plus. Plus, can I write this? 3bc by A square, which is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay, what I have done, I bring this term here. Okay, now simplify, what you get, alpha cube plus beta cube equal to here, A cube is the LCM, what I get, minus B cube plus here, it will become, one time will be there, 3ABC. This can be written like this, alpha cube plus beta cube equal to 3ABC minus B cube by A cube. This is also very important. What is A cube? Alpha cube plus beta cube is nothing but 3ABC minus B cube by A cube. Okay, so you have to remember this formula while solving the problem. When you came across alpha cube plus beta cube, no need to derive this equation. Just remember this 3ABC minus B cube by A cube. Last is there. Let us see that one also. Okay, what is that? First, what we will do, alpha minus beta is there. Can I write what is alpha minus beta whole square? That is nothing but alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. From here, can I write alpha minus beta whole square equal to, what is alpha square plus beta square? Now only we got, that is b square minus 2ac by a square minus 2 into alpha beta. What is alpha beta? Nothing but c by a. What if I take the LCM? What I get? A square is the LCM. Here we get b square minus 2ac minus 2ac will come. Okay, this one term gets cancelled, again it will multiply with a 2ac, so it will become what? Alpha minus beta whole square equal to b square minus 4ac by a square. If I take square that side, it will become what? Root. That is nothing but alpha minus beta equal to, okay, that is under root b square minus 4ac by a square. Okay, so here I don't know which is the bigger value, alpha is bigger or beta is bigger, and we are taking root on that side. So that what I will do, I'll write like this, mod of alpha minus beta equal to under root b square minus 4ac by mod a. A square can be written as mod a. So this is nothing but alpha minus beta, that is under root b square minus 4ac by mod a. Okay, so these are the most important and the fundamental values for alpha and beta. You should remember this, you should memorize this in order to solve the JEE problem. So in this video I will leave up to here. Next we will continue our discussion in next video. Thank you.